Tie a band around a stable surface, such as a table leg. Put your leg inside the band and move the band upward until it's located directly behind your knee. If the knot is there, make sure to rotate the band so the knot's not directly behind your knee. Step back until there's tension on the band, even with your knee bent. Line up your hip and your ankle and make sure they stay stationary as you push down through your heel and draw your knee backward. Hold this position for 3 to 5 seconds before you relax and slowly control the movement as your knee goes forward. Do 10 repetitions, making sure to maintain your knee straight for 3 to 5 seconds before relaxing. After you've finished with 10, rest and relax and repeat 2 to 3 more sets of this exercise.